Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a starter on a Jeep Commander. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Always disconnect the negative battery cable using a 10mm wrench to prevent any electrical issues. Next, safely raise your vehicle with a jack and secure it firmly on jack stands. This ensures a stable workspace. Finally, gather your tools, including 15mm and 13mm sockets and a flex head ratchet, which will make the job much smoother. Now let's locate the starter. It's typically found on the driver's side of your Jeep Commander, positioned near the transmission bell housing. You'll need to remove two 15mm bolts that hold the starter in place. After these are out, carefully disconnect the main positive battery cable, which usually requires a 13mm socket, and then detach the smaller signal wire. This wire often has a release clip. Avoid prying it off. With the old starter removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully maneuver the new starter into its position, ensuring it aligns correctly with the mounting holes. Reinstall the two 15mm mounting bolts, tightening them to a torque specification of 50 foot-pounds. Next, reconnect the 13mm positive battery cable, ensuring it's snug, and then reattach the small signal wire until it clicks securely into place. Double-check all connections for tightness. You're almost done. Now, reinstall any components you removed for access, such as the drive shaft or the wheel well liner. Once everything is back in place, reconnect the negative battery cable to your vehicle's battery. With all connections secure, it's time for the moment of truth. Attempt to start your Jeep Commander. If the engine cranks and starts smoothly, you've successfully replaced your starter. Congratulations on a job well done.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.